Hello everybody! Today we're going to do a cover of Pokemon Cake, Snorlax Cake, Decorating Lesson, How to Cook That, and Reardon. Nailed it! She still has those ridiculously long titles. What you're gonna need is white fondant. It's inside of here. Black fondant. This is left over from my Pichu cake. Blue dye. I did royal blue. That was the only blue that wasn't sky blue. And this little guy from the last video. You also need this thing. It's a scooped straw, but I went to gas station, CVS, Walmart, a different town's gas station, CVS and Walmart, and I am not having any luck. So I was at restaurants. I was like, do you guys have the scoop straws? I went to Sonic. Nowhere has these freaking scoop straws. So I just said, screw it. I'll figure something out. But if you get everything you're supposed to, this, the fondant, the dye, and the straws, that's about, well, this is $12. I know for sure. This is totals to $12. This adds in some money, this and the scoop straws. I mean, if you can find them, I'd say $15 to $20. It's not 20 minimum. Okay, let's go $20 to $30. I can't think of anything else I need to talk about. Oh, so not only have I done the makeup that I'm still trying to get right. It is, nope, really bad. That one's better, but this one's bad. I put my hair in chopsticks and my nails. I really do try all the other videos that I cover, and I try them all the time. My mac and cheese is done, so I'm going to eat that, and then I'm going to make this and show you if the cover works. Okay. I'm going to start with a dye. Open, and we're going to dye about this much fondant blue. We have this much white, this much black, and another little thing of white. That's what she has in the beginning of her video. This is always how I've seen it done, how the instructions were done, and how I did the Pichu. You want to fold it in on itself. There you go. You're done. Just kidding. I'm so funny. I just have a feeling we're going to need a lot more than that, so... I have a feeling this is going to be a really light sky blue, so I'm going to add more. I'm a little afraid of over dyeing. Oh, I just broke the toothpick. But it should be fine. I'm still not getting quite what I want, so I'm just going to add a bunch more. Okay. I'm done. That's fine. It's fine. Okay. I messed up. I should not have done that. I got overzealous. Oh dear. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, you screwed up, Gabrielle. I'm so sorry for what I've done. Oh, why did I do this? Who am I? Catch me outside, I'll hop on it. It's starting to get really sticky. I've kneaded it too much. It never turned to the right color. I think that's the best I'm gonna get, which is still good. It's just not exactly the blue of the Snorlax that I want.
I'm going to show it to you in fast forward. Here we are just making the body, rounding it out. Because the sugar paste tends to sag down, if you make it a bit taller than you need it to be, then when it sags down a bit, it'll be the right shape. Now just making 2 feet.
You can still see the streaks where I was dyeing it.
Here, rolling out the blue. You could have made the whole body out of blue, but it uses a lot more colouring to do it that way, so it's cheaper to make, because it's got white on it, cheaper to make the middle of it out of the white.
As you can see, I'm amazing at making circles.
So here on the body, Snorlax has a white or creamy tummy, and then the blue goes the whole way around the back. Just pinch it at the back, cut off the excess, and then give it a smooth out and a roll.
Race. I love you too, Tony. Gabrielle. Ow, I knew. I knew it.
I'm trying to just smooth it out, but I don't really know how to do that. There's a little V shape that I have on mine that kind of she has on hers, so I'm just going to leave that at the top and hope for the best. Yeah, it looks pretty bad in the back, but like that's the back, so you know. Okay.
It's got the blue across the top and around the edges of his head. So we want to roll that out nice and thin. Cut the shape that's across the top of his head. It's a bit big, so make it a bit smaller. And then again, just wrap it up like you're wrapping an Easter egg, leaving the white bit exposed for his face. Trim it off and give it a smooth.
Roll it out again. For the head. Ooh, he's a ghost.
If you get some pieces of spaghetti, poke 3 pieces into the body. That will form the support that will hold the head in place. Here we get some black fondant or sugar paste, rolling it really thin so we can do the eyes. Then just using an everyday straw, just going to use that to help us put them in place.
So I just saw you don't even need the scoop straw, you can just use a normal one. Oh, frick me. Making a black snake. A very thin black snake. That is not good enough. Keep going.
And then the same again for the mouth. And popping it in place, using the straw again just to shape it how it should be. Now Snorlax has 2 little fangs that stick up, so just using a pizza cutter there to cut those out. It's 1 and 2.
Now we're going to do the fangs. Basically just roll out some white really thinly and then use a pizza cutter to cut it.
He has blue ears. The easiest way to get the ears even is to roll a ball and then just cut it in half. You've got 2 there, poking them in again using the spaghetti to hold it in place.
Look at it.
Aw.
Again, to get them even, just roll one shape and cut it in half. Too many fiddly bits.
Just forgot to film, but I just took a blue, rolled it, cut in half, put on for the arms. I don't know how to do this. Okay, that works.
Two feet. Just squash those on. They don't need the spaghetti because they're not sticking up in the air. They can lean on the page.
Roll 2 little balls for the feet.
Then on the feet he has a little pad on each foot. And there he is, all done. Snorlax.
Just to finish this, I just have to do the black pads on the feet, but my black is like entirely dried out. So we'll see how this goes. I just used my ring to cut them out. Here he is. Here's my little guy.